points. He got a fire in a hole.
Oh, you did?
I gave us too many points.
Why did you do that for?
Because I suck.
Well, don't
Hole,
suck.
babe.
That's the main thing. Don't suck.
Bam!
Hey, so you guys.
Sir!
Oh, I was always raised. Yes, ma'am. No,
You're a
ma'am.
good
Yes,
girl.
sir. Yes. Whereas.
Bill, we can add.
Living on roots, baby.
I hope you have again.
I told you to put some food in yourself.
So live 18.
So I have to get.
What's your score?
It's.
We're beating
18
your
to
butt.
15, but we've
It's
got
18
4
to
on the
15,
board.
But they have 4 on the board, so I have to get.
This video is specifically made in mind for Bill and Opel, who are staying at the Durango, Colorado United Campgrounds, specifically for the Durango and Silverton steam locomotive that rolled through the middle of the RV park. There. I would like to take a moment and thank Bill and Opel for their hospitality, including the wonderful dinner that they made for us that night, and also for the game of beanbag toss. I would also like to say your affection for each other was very touching. Bill had been pretty badly injured in the Desert Storm conflict, and he was beat up pretty bad by shrapnel, but seeing the way that each of you cared for one another was pretty touching. So, thank you. I hope you guys had a good rest of your trip and made it home safely, and perhaps someday we will see you down the road.
I figured he'd go the other way.